Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install an app that allows you to create or extract RAR and zip archives on Navitel tablet. And to do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Here in the search, enter Firefox. Pardon me, RAR, it's RAR. And then install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open it, and right here, allow to access and manage all files. Go back, dismiss this notification, and the app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.